Your front and patio doors do more than provide entry. They contribute to your home's energy efficiency, curb appeal, security, and comfort. In a climate like Scottsdale, where intense heat, sunlight, and dust storms are common, doors wear out faster than you might expect. Replacing aging or inefficient doors isn't just a cosmetic fix, it can dramatically improve your home's performance and long-term value. Not sure whether it's time to replace your doors? Here are the top signs your Scottsdale home is ready for a door upgrade. Visible wear and tear. The dry desert climate of Scottsdale may be easier on wood than humidity-heavy regions, but UV exposure, temperature swings, and dust storms can still take their toll. If your door is showing signs of cracks in the panel or frame, fading or peeling paint, rusted metal or corroded hardware, or warped wood or fiberglass, it's more than a cosmetic issue. These imperfections could compromise the structural integrity of the door and lead to energy inefficiency or security risks. A replacement with a durable, weather-resistant model will restore both function and beauty. Difficulty opening, closing, or locking. Does your door stick in the summer or feel misaligned in the frame? That could be due to expansion from heat or shifting from foundation movement, both common in Scottsdale homes. A faulty door can become a security hazard if it doesn't latch properly or if locking mechanisms don't work smoothly. If you notice grinding or scraping sound, doors that don't close flush, deadbolts that don't align, it's time to consider replacing the door for safety and ease of use. Skyrocketing energy bill. Scottsdale summers are long and hot, and if your air conditioning is constantly running, your door may be to blame. Older doors, especially those that lack insulation or have worn out seals, allow hot air to seep inside and conditioned air to escape. Signs your door is affecting your energy efficiency. Feeling drafts near the door, or light visible around the edges. A noticeable temperature difference near the entrance. New energy-efficient doors come with improved insulation, weather stripping, and thermal barriers designed to keep your home cooler in summer and warmer in winter, ultimately reducing your monthly utility bills. Excessive outside noise. If your Scottsdale home is near a busy street or in a lively neighborhood, you shouldn't have to hear everything going on outside. Older or hollow core doors are poor at blocking sound, while newer insulated doors with solid cores or soundproofing materials significantly reduce noise transfer. Replacing your entry or patio door can help create a quieter, more peaceful indoor environment. Moisture, dust, or insects coming in, even small gaps under or around your door can let in desert dust, rainwater during monsoon season, or even pests. If you're constantly cleaning up dirt near the entrance or dealing with minor infestations, it's likely your door isn't sealing properly. A modern, tightly sealed replacement door will keep Scottsdale's elements and critters where they belong, outside. Outdated style or poor curb appeal. Whether you're planning to sell your home or just want a fresh look, your door is a major visual element. An old or unattractive door can drag down your home's appearance and value. Stylish modern doors, whether sleek steel, rustic wood look fiberglass, or elegant glass panel designs, can instantly elevate your curb appeal. Final thoughts. If you're experiencing any of these issues, now's the time to invest in a new, high-quality door. Replacing your exterior doors can dramatically improve comfort, security, efficiency, and style, all while increasing the overall value of your Scottsdale home. Work with a trusted local door replacement expert to explore options that suit your home's style, climate needs, and budget. A better door means a better home, inside and out.